This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete or remove all contacts from your iPhone in just one click. So if you're trying to delete multiple contacts or all contacts from your contact list, just follow these simple steps to do it. Go to your App Store and search for Duplicate Contacts Remover, and you have to install this app and open it. Now tap on Contacts, and here you will get your contact list. Tap on this pencil icon at the top right and select those contacts you want to delete, or you can select all contacts by tapping on Select All at the bottom left. Then tap on Delete Contacts, and that's how you will be delete your all contacts in just one click. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.